today we're gonna be opening up a package, and if you guys can read that, it says from Bundles. All right, guys, so we're just opening up this package, and I am so excited to see what new products we got. Okay, so this is what's inside. It's the Nasty Hat black and bold green. One of my favorite items on my website, www.bundleshair.ca/shop-bundles. If you guys want this hat, I will leave a link in the description for you guys to shop. And yeah, this is an awesome package to get today. It definitely brightened up my day. But thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share.